I'm gonna be here for a fucking minute. Goodness. Oh, never mind, it's yellow. I'm just out here cruising downtown and such. Don't really know what I'm looking for, just doing stuff. I've already done a couple laps. I didn't really see anything interesting. I got revved at by some dude on, I'm guessing, a Gixxer. It's a yellow bike covered in stickers, and my brain puts Suzuki as either blue and silver or yellow, so I'm thinking Gixxer, no idea of the year. Not stock exhaust, but definitely a big ass can on the side. I don't really know what I'm planning. I'm just kind of out cruising. I've been trying to bank videos so that way if I can't ride or when the winter comes I can still upload regularly. So this might be one of those videos, or I might upload it before then, I don't know. I've got Sunday's video already sorted, I just gotta edit it unless it decides it doesn't want to cooperate, in which case this might be it, or a different one uploaded or recorded today might be it, or I might record something different, I don't know. But it's July, so I want to get like a head start on saving videos for the off season. That way I'm not like rushing last minute to record a lot of videos. I don't like doing that. I like having time to actually make them and edit them properly and not like rush through them. So any and all video y'all see where I'm not bundled up and it's between November and March, it's a banked video. I recorded it how many months earlier? No idea, but it's definitely not from that time period. Unless it's a Daytona video, in which case I'm in Daytona, or recently left Daytona. Because I do, Mac and I are planning on going to Daytona. I've said that how many times and how many videos, I don't know, but it feels right to say it again so I can drag the video on longer. But that's going to rely on one of us getting a tow vehicle to pull a trailer. And I would 100% be bringing this bike because I know Forgotten's down there and I think we'd have a blast just ripping the sport bikes. That's a cop over there. It's a good thing I have my underglow on so I'm extra noticeable. I'm gonna try and set up an exploration series where I just go to like small towns and cruise around them. You know, not get off the bike. I don't think that'd be fun. Besides, y'all aren't here for regular vlog content, you're here for my motorcycle stuff, or I would hope so anyway. Oh nice, a buggy on a boat trailer. Interesting. So whatever happened to those like challenge videos that motovloggers would have other motovloggers do, where it was like cover this topic or do this or do that or have fun? I haven't seen them since like COVID, which is wild because like they need to come back. I might come up with a challenge and challenge some of you farts. That would require y'all to upload though. So like, yeah. Alright, I don't feel like taking the highway anymore today unless I know for a fact I'm going to be able to race somebody. This, however, will do. Oh, I like that. That was good. That was very good. You know, I haven't been to the mall in like months. I think it's actually almost been a year now. I miss it. I like going to the mall. I'll try to talk my friends into going at some point. That'd be fun. Bro, every time I see a bike, they're going the opposite direction. I'd race it. Then again, what wouldn't I race? I've raced Hellcats and lost. It's all part of the fun. I'm in it to do fun runs. I'm not in it for like, well, and bragging rights obviously, but not like, I ain't that serious about it. Not yet. I want to get into grudge racing though.
you.